Hey there, everyone. We got us a pack of 25-26 Topps basketball. This came out of the 2026 Topps Collector's Kit. This is the first pack of the basketball that I'm opening. So let's rip into this thing and see what kind of hits we get. See if we can't pick the winner of some playoffs. Well, we got a Con Knipple rookie card. He's on the bench, but could be rookie of the year. Maybe so. Yuki Kawamura. Victor Wembanyama, Defensive Player of the Year. Could they go all the way? I hope he's okay, though, after that fall that he took the other night. Josh Giddey got his rookie card the other day. Walter Clayton Jr., rookie. We got a 8-bit ballers of James Harden. They're going strong in the playoffs, too. I think that's a really good combo, him and Donovan. D'Angelo Russell, Chet Holmgren. Here you go. Could they repeat this year? Memphis team. Something different. Let's go to the next cards. Nets team. AJ Johnson. Detroit's team. They've tied the series. Let's go. Let's see what they're going to do. Anthony Edwards. They're going strong in the playoffs too. So, man, anything can happen in these playoffs. All right. Back to the Grizzlies and OG Anunoby. Yep, they're still in it too. So these guys are fighting. Let's cheer them on and join me next time, and we'll rip another one.